Since 2012, NextFuture has been revolutionizing business operations across Jordan and beyond. As Jordan's leading business technology consultancy, we are your trusted partner in digital transformation. Our flagship solution, ERPNext, is a comprehensive business management system. It streamlines every aspect of your operations, from financial management and inventory control to manufacturing processes and human resources. We've got you covered. Take Zama Time Academy, for example. They use ERPNext to streamline the delivery of specialized GAT and SAAT test preparation courses, revolutionizing how they serve thousands of students. In Iraq, Al-Sard Trading Company leverages ERPNext to manage their professional tools distribution network, ensuring seamless coordination across their exclusive dealerships in the Middle East. Yamoon Import and Export, the exclusive distributor for Baby Joy and Sophie, relies on ERPNext to manage their extensive personal care product inventory and distribution channels. Shopyard's success in the e-commerce sector demonstrates how ERPNext adapts to digital-first businesses, revolutionizing how they serve thousands of students. At Bakaldran Arab Jordan, ERPNext coordinates complex bakery production processes, inventory management and distribution systems, proving our versatility in the manufacturing sector. Al-Batil Food Trading, part of the Mahmoud Qadir Group, demonstrates how ERPNext handles large-scale food distribution operations while maintaining precise inventory control. From manufacturing to education, retail to services, our success stories span every sector. As Jordan's first e-invoicing compliance system, we're proud to serve businesses in over 100 countries, supporting 82 languages. Ready to transform your business operations? Join the thousands of companies who trust NextFuture and ERPNext to streamline their processes, ensure compliance, and drive growth. NextFuture. Organize your work, enjoy your time, and let technology handle the rest. Your future of efficient business management starts here.